Presenting XP Penstar 03 V2 Graphics Drawing Tablet. The dimensions of this drawing tablet are 36.2 cm by 21 cm by 0.8 cm and it weighs 300 grams. It features Type B input design. This tablet has 8,192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity to create variations in line width and opacity. The tablet works seamlessly with all commonly used design softwares like Corel Painter, Corel Draw, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Flash and more. This tablet is compatible with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, Google Classroom and more. Inside the box you will find the pen tablet, P01 passive pen, USB cable, pen clipper, quick guide, 8 pen nibs and pen holder. The Star 03 comes with 8 customizable shortcuts keys, advanced battery-free stylus, automatic line correction and intelligent anti-shake functions. This product comes with standard brand warranty.